Good day everyone. This is a replacement of the original video number 73. Uh, so this is a revised video of video 73 for the reason that there are some corrections in the original video number 73. So this is about the parabola. So the general equation of a conic is ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So now, we have here the revised equation. The first revised equation is ax squared plus bx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. And then, we have here if x squared and y have opposite signs, one is positive and the other one is negative, the parabola opens upward. And then if x squared and y have the same signs, so it refers to the signs here in the revised equation. Both are positive or both are negative, the parabola opens downward. Also, we have here another revised equation in the form of bx plus cy squared plus dy plus e is equal to 0. And then, if x and y squared have opposite signs, so again referring to this revised equation, one is positive and the other one is negative, the parabola opens to the right. Now, if x and y squared have the same signs, both are positive or both are negative, the parabola opens to the left. So, let us have the standard equation of the parabola. So, in this standard equation, x minus h squared is equal to 4a multiplied by y minus k. This parabola or this equation of parabola opens upward. So, as you can see, the only difference here is the negative sign. So, if there is a negative sign in 4a, the parabola opens downward. So, the other standard equation of the parabola is y minus k quantity squared is equal to 4a multiplied by x minus h. This parabola or this equation opens to the right. And except again for the negative sign, if there is a negative sign, this parabola will open to the left or to the opposite of this parabola. So, if there is no negative sign, it opens to the right. If there is a negative sign, it opens to the left. So, let's have the example. So, given the equation, x squared minus 6x plus 8y minus 31 is equal to 0, find the vertex and the standard equation. Okay. So, using the new formulas that we have, x squared minus 6x plus 8y minus 31 is equal to 0. So, our a or the coefficient of x squared is 1, our b is negative 6, c is 0, and then d is, we have 8, and the constant e, we have negative 31. So, we will use the formula h is equal to negative b over 2a and 4a is equal to negative d over a. So, h is equal to negative, our b is negative 6, and then 2, our a is 1. So, simplifying this, we will get h is equal to 3. Now, substitute x is equal to 3 to the original equation. So, x and h are equal. Okay? So, substitute now, we have x squared or 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 8y minus 31 is equal to 0. So, simplify, we have 9 minus 18 plus 8y minus 31 is equal to 0. So, simplifying or transposing the constant to the left, to the right, we will have 8y is equal to 40. And then y is equal to 40 over 8 or y is equal to 5. And then y is also the value of k. So, k is equal to 5. So, the vertex now is hk is equal to 3, 5. So, as you can see, x squared and y have the same sign, so the parabola opens downward. Okay, so to get for the value of 4a, our formula for 4a is negative d over a. So negative, our d is 8 and a is 1. So 4a is equal to negative 8. So the standard equation will be x minus h is x minus 3 squared is equal to negative 4a is negative 8 and then multiplied by y minus 5. So this is the standard equation of this parabola and the vertex as well. So using the conventional solution, so we have the equation x squared minus 6x plus 8y minus 31 is equal to 0. So we have x squared and then from 6 let us factor out 2. So we will have negative 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x is equal to, so transposing 8y we will get negative 8y, and then from negative 31 this will become positive 31. So here we have x squared, we have x, and then we have here 3. So we must add 3 squared, and so to make this a perfect trinomial square. And also bring down the negative 8y and 31, and then we must add also 3 squared to balance the entire equation. Okay, so from perfect trinomial square, we will now have a square of a binomial. Quantity x minus 3 squared is equal to negative 8y, and then simplifying this, we will get plus 40. So we can now get the standard equation to be x minus 3 quantity squared minus 8 multiplied by y minus 5. So this is now the standard equation. And then the vertex is, of course, is equal to 3 and 5. So that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something in our lesson. This is Engineer Armando Omanito. Until next time, and may God bless us all.